Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Nothing Phone 3. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings and then click on Google Assistant and click on Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google feature and then click on I agree. Now scroll down and click agree again and click next. Then click on Retrain Voice Match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next. And now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click assignment and make sure that this first option stays on. Now you can go back and go back again. Then click on Gemini and my Gemini is enabled. So now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.